Today I'm reviewing the DanWesson revolver by ASG. This particular one is the 8-inch model. A very nice gun. As you can see, you load the shells in it as you would with any other gun. It's very heavy, it weighs close to 3 pounds, has the vent rib barrel, works in single or double action. Very well made gun. This also comes in different configurations and finishes. As I said, this is the 8-inch model. I also have the 6-inch nickel model, which is pretty much a shorter version of the 8-inch model, but almost the exact same other than a shorter barrel. I also have the 2.5-inch model. This has a slightly different barrel as it doesn't have a vent rib on it, but other than that, the gun is exactly the same. Now, what makes these so special? Well, they're BB guns, and that's what makes them special. The cartridges are hollow, straight through. What you do is you pop a BB in each one of these cartridges. You place it in the end and it snaps in. When it goes into the gun, the cylinder revolves around just like a real gun, but instead of a firing pin coming down, this aligns with an air valve which shoots air into the cartridge, pops the BB out through the barrel. Each gun comes with a speed loader and 6 shells. Here's the speed loader with the BBs snapped into it. The speed loader works fairly well. As you can see, a simple little push of it and it releases the shells. As I said, the gun is very heavy. The accuracy on this 8-inch model is absolutely outstanding. I don't think I have ever had a BB gun that was this accurate. It does have an adjustable sight for elevation, windage, and it does have a white dot on the front ramp. It's absolutely incredibly accurate after you get it sighted in. The CO2 cartridge is completely invisible, which makes it really cool. There's no thumb screw on the bottom of the grip or anything. What you do is you open the grip up. That's where your CO2 cartridge goes, and your little tab to tighten it is here. Holding the gun helps keep it closed. It's extremely powerful. I'm going to just put a empty shell in here so we can show you the action of it. It's a very good working gun. I would highly recommend these to anybody that's serious about BB guns. The fact that the gun is made out of entirely metal is probably the best of all features of it. The only thing that's plastic on the gun is the grip, which has a nice rubberized texture. And I did notice that after long periods of holding it, that even a sweaty palm, it doesn't make it slippery. It's just got a perfect grip on it. So that's the only part that's plastic other than this little tab for your CO2 screw. Everything else in the gun is entirely metal. I would highly recommend anybody that can afford to get one of these, that they should get one. I'd highly recommend the 8-inch. The 6-inch silver is going to be appealing to a lot of people because it's silver. The 2.5-inch I almost consider more of a novelty. The accuracy of this gun, of course, is not that great because of the short barrel, but it's pretty cool. It's kind of like, if you buy one, you almost want to buy all of them that are available. And plus the fact that I bought 3 of them, I ended up having 3 speed loaders and 3 sets of shells, which is really, really cool. Highly recommended. The best place to buy these is pyramidair.com. They're $115 each, which is kind of costly for a BB gun, but compared to a real gun, it's a heck of a lot cheaper. And there is no difference of the price, no matter which size you buy. So even the small one was $115 too. I highly recommend you get one. pyramidair.com.